Good morning, students. In this topic, we have reactivity towards oxygen of group 15 elements. It means what kind of products or what kind of oxides are formed. Formation of oxides when the oxygen react with the elements of the group number 15, what kind of oxides will form? You know that nitrogen has a strong tendency to form the p-pi multiple bond. p-pi multiple bond formation. Nitrogen has the strong tendency to form the p-pi multiple bond. It means double bond, triple bond with the p orbitals which is present there between the nitrogen and oxygen atom. Between the nitrogen and oxygen atom, whereas the other elements present in this group they don't form this kind of bond. Other elements of group do not form this. Other elements of the group do not form this. Nitrogen forms 5 oxides with the different oxidation state from +1 to +5. These oxides were formed while the others will form +3 to +5 oxides of nitrogen and oxides of others. Okay, so that is the difference there between them. Now we have a table there, and in this table we see that how the oxides of these group 15 elements are formed. So just see that what we have in this table form. We have the elements there in this oxidation state of element. First column, oxidation state of element, oxidation state of element. Second, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of nitrogen. Third, oxides of phosphorus, Third column, we have oxides of arsenic, oxides of antimony, oxides of antimony, and oxides of bismuth. Now we see that what are the different variable oxidation states present in them. What oxidation states they have? +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. +1 to +5 oxidation states are formed by these compounds. First of all, we have the oxides of nitrogen, that is N2O NO, then N2O3, then N2O3, then N2O4, N2O4, then N2O5. What are the names of these oxides? First, nitrous oxide. Name of this oxide is nitrous oxide. Name of this second oxide NO, that is nitric oxide. That is nitric oxide. Third, N2O3 is dinitrogen trioxide. Name of this dinitrogen trioxide. N2O4, name of N2O4 is dinitrogen tetraoxide. That is dinitrogen tetraoxide. Dinitrogen tetraoxide. This is dinitrogen pentaoxide. Dinitrogen pentaoxide. That is how we have the oxides of nitrogen there. In other elements, what difference we see that +1 and +2 oxidation state is not shown by these other elements. +1 and +2 oxidation states are absent in other elements of the group number 15, but they have +3 oxidation state to +5 oxidation state. Examples of +3 oxidation state we have P4O6, AS4O6, and here is antimony Sb4O6. In case of bismuthane, Bi4O6. These are the Bi3O6. That is the oxidation state we have. That is phosphorus trioxide. Name of these compounds phosphorus trioxide. AS4O6 arsenic trioxide. Sb4O6 antimony. That is antimony trioxide. Antimony trioxide. And last is bismuth trioxide. Bismuth trioxide. In all these compounds, +3 oxidation state of the element is present. Now next we have only P4O8 compound there in +4 oxidation state, but in the other elements that is absent. But in other element that is absent. So P4O8 phosphorus tetraoxide. Name of this phosphorus tetraoxide. Name of this phosphorus tetraoxide. In +5 oxidation state we have the compounds like P4O10, then after AS4O10, Sb4O10 antimony pentaoxide, and the bismuth will not form this compound. So they are the pentaoxides. Name of these compounds phosphorus pentaoxide, arsenic pentaoxide, that is antimony pentaoxide, antimony pentaoxide. So in this table we have a quick view of the different oxidation states shown by these elements. +1 N2O, +2 NO, +3 all the compounds are present, +4 only nitrogen and phosphorus are present, +5 all the only the bismuth is absent, but all the compounds from the plus shows the +5 oxidation state. In the light of this table or by the use of this, the following conclusions we get. First, oxides of non-metals are acidic. Oxides of non-metals are acidic in their nature. Oxides of metalloids are amphoteric in nature. Oxides of metals are basic in their nature. Oxides of metals are basic in their nature. Electronegativity of the more of the element, it will have the more acidic character. Among the oxides of the same elements, higher the oxidation state of element is more in its acidic strength. Now we have some comparison between these oxides which are present there, and these comparisons are in their reactivity. What kind of comparisons we have? Just see the comparisons we have in this. We have the comparison: acidic strength of oxides of nitrogen increases in the order, like acidic strength of oxides of nitrogen. Acidic strength of oxides of nitrogen. Increasing acidic strength, in this we have N2O, NO, then after N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. This is the order of increasing acidic strength. N2O and NO are, however, neutral in their behavior. Acidic strength of trioxides, acidic strength of trioxides. In this case, what we have, acidic strength of trioxides, that is N2O3, P4O6, arsenic, AS4O6, bismuthine, Bi4O6. This order, bismuthine is not present, that is antimony, FeO6. That is the acidic strength of trioxides. In fact, the AsO6 and SbO6 are amphoteric, while Bi2O3 is basic in character. Another acidic strength of pentaoxides. Acidic strength of pentaoxides. Pentaoxides, when we compare first N2O5 maximum, then after P4O10, then arsenic AS4O10, then after we have the last antimony SbO10. This is the order of the acidic strengths present in the different kind of oxides of these elements. Thank you.